All right, let's dive into the world of simple present tense interrogative sentences. Now, when we talk about interrogative sentences in the simple present tense, we're essentially asking questions about actions or states that are happening now or regularly. To form these questions, we usually start with an auxiliary verb like do or does, followed by the subject and then the base form of the main verb. For example, do you like ice cream? Or does she play the guitar? Remember, when using the auxiliary verb do, we use it with subjects like I, you, we, and they. For subjects like he, she, and it, we use does. This helps us maintain subject-verb agreement in our questions. Now, let's talk about the word order in interrogative sentences. In English, the typical word order for questions is auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. This structure helps us clearly convey that we are asking a question. It's important to note that when forming questions in the simple present tense, we do not add s or es to the main verb, even if the subject is in the third person singular form. For example, we say, does he work here? Not, does he works here? Lastly, when forming yes/no questions in the simple present tense, we can often answer with a simple yes or no. These questions are great for seeking information or clarifying something in a conversation. So, to sum it up, when constructing simple present tense interrogative sentences, remember to use the appropriate auxiliary verb based on the subject, maintain the correct word order, and avoid adding s or es to the main verb. Practice makes perfect, so keep practicing forming questions in the simple present tense to master this essential aspect of English grammar.